Every now and then I'll get something just because it's cute. This week it was the fall Zucchette pasta from Trader Joe's. For under $3, you get enough for 3 or 4 servings, so if you have a Trader Joe's near you, go and get a bag or two. I'll be serving mine with a meat sauce, so I got some ground turkey and their basic tomato basil sauce. I have some basil from the garden, and I also got their fermented black garlic. If you've never tried this particular product before, it's really cool and it's used as a finishing spice. You can put it on anything like avocado toast or noodles. It's just a nice little Halloween touch after the Parmesan cheese. To assemble my sauce, all I do is brown the ground turkey with a little bit of olive oil, add some onion and garlic, and then pour in the jarred sauce. After turning off the heat, I finished it off with some julienne basil. The pasta is on the delicate side, so make sure to stir it very gently as it cooks. It only needs 8 minutes for a perfect al dente. I put all of the whole pumpkins on the top of the sauce just to show you how pretty it is. But for the broken pieces, I went ahead and mixed those all in with the sauce. The fermented garlic has a really nice mellow taste, so go ahead and sprinkle on a lot. It doesn't make it too spicy or too garlicky at all. This is a seasonal product, so if you like the way it looks, you're going to need to stock up. If you forget what they're called, just ask for the pumpkin-shaped butternut squash pasta. You can't taste the squash at all, it's just what makes it orange. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. What are some of your favorite Trader Joe's seasonal items? I'd love to hear from you.